Well, hello there guys, here we are down at the allotment, and you may remember I took the shed down, which was just the other side of the water butt there. So I've been down here today and managed to put together some sort of storage box. Needs finishing off, but I've got the main structure put together, so that's well on its way now. And there's the first early potatoes. As you can see, the broad beans are taking a bit of a battering without wind, but we have runner beans coming into flower there. Main crop potatoes, they're doing okay. Got some more peas over there, and Cobra French runner beans there. These are the peas. These are a tall variety, but they've started to flower. So yeah, all in all, quite good. And the spuds, they've started to flower as well. So not bad, but I do need to get on top of the weeds. Do get some sort of common sense out of what I've done the last couple of times I've been up here. So on that note, I will catch you again. Bye for now.